Hi, here at Gateway Peugeot we don't just sell cars, we also do vans. We've just taken delivery of this absolutely awesome crew van. This is the epitome of a crew van. It's the sport edition, so it's got the LED daytime running lights, the colour-coded bumpers and door mirrors, gloss black alloy wheels, look fantastic. It's got the sport graphic styling, darkened tinted glass, all colour coded at the back, again with the sports graphing. This particular vehicle was just purely pre-registered to Peugeot. It's got delivery mileage, I think it's about 11 miles on the clock, so it is absolutely as new. All the spec: reversing camera, parking sensors, sliding doors. It's even got blind spot detection in the end of the wing mirrors there.